Okay, so we continue our questions number 12 over here. The diagram 12 shows the route that can be traveled from town P to town S. The width on the directed graph represents the distance in kilometer. Determine whether the above directed graph is a simple graph or not. Yes or no? Yes. Yes, it is a simple graph. Why? Okay. Oh, we are going to say that. Okay, let me write down here. First of all, you are going to say yes. It's going to be 1 mark there. Okay, this is a simple graph. Why? Give 2 reasons. Okay, this one supposedly 3 marks lah. Yes, 1 mark. 2 reasons, 2 marks, isn't it? Okay, so yes. Okay, nak buat macam mana dia bagi satu aja. Kita bagi 2 reasons. First one, you didn't have what over here? No multiple what? Multiple edges. Berbilang tepi. What is multiple edges? Is going to be if you got one vertex with one vertex, you are gonna over here and over here like that. Remember? If multiple edges, yang ni edges ni. What edges? This one is edges actually. Okay. Multiple edges. And one more, you are going to say that what is the reason? The second reason is going to be what? Loops. Ingat lagi loops? Loops means that, okay, if I have over here multiple edges, loops means that I'm going to have over here like this. That's loops. So if you have either one of these, it is going to be what? Not a simple graph. Graph mudah ni dia mesti tak ada salah satu tu. Tak ada kedua-dua. Sorry, tak ada salah satu. Tak ada kedua-dua. Cannot. Okay? This one supposedly 3 marks lah. Supposedly. But this one given 2 marks. So 1 marks over here and 1 marks given over here. If you give 2 reasons. Okay, 2 reasons here. Okay. Next, list the vertices or the set of vertices. Is given over here the set of vertices. You have already over here. What vertices you are going to begin with? Our P here. So for our vertices, because it's saying set, so you are going to put in a curly bracket. So it's going to be P, Q, R, S, T, U, and W. So how many of it? You're gonna have 2, 4, 6, 7. 7 of your vertices. And be there the set of edges. Okay, we are going to have the set of edges. Tadi kan sebut edges kan? Okay. So over here you are going to have what first? We are going to have our E here, edges. So you are going to have the connection between our vertices there. We are begin with P there. Okay. Can you see that they are going to be directed, isn't it? Yes. So you are going to follow that. Okay. So if I begin with P here, so you are going to have P with Q, 1. And then P with W, 1. Can you write QP? Can. Can? Cannot. Because it is a directed graph. Kalau dia bagi Q pergi P, dia punya arrow pergi sisi macam tu lah. So we are going to follow the arrow there. Okay. After we finish our P vertices, we are going to look at our vertex Q there. We are going to have only one there. Yes, QR. After that, you are going to say our R here. So you are going to say is going to be R2 S1. You are going to got two, right? Two edges there. Yes, RU here. Okay. After that, PQR. We are going to get to go for our vertex S there. Is there any edges for S? Huh? Cannot. S tak ada. Sebab arrow semua pergi pada S, isn't it? So no, we don't have to list that one. So we move to T. T is going to be TS, isn't it? TS ada kan? Then, is it TU can or cannot? Cannot. So we are going to move to our U. U is going to be UT only, isn't it? UT. After that, we are going to go for our W. W, you are going to get what? WU. Is there any more? Are you sure? So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 here. If all correct, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. If all correct, got 1 mark. Cikgu, kalau tertinggal satu dapat markah tak? Sorry. Bye-bye. Only 1 marks given over here for each of our set here. Set for the vertices and set for the edges. Can class? Can. Next question. Determine the root for the shortest. Okay, we are going to find for the shortest and also for the longest distance from town P to town S. And then we are going to do what? Calculate the difference between what? Longest and shortest lah. Okay, so if you look in our diagram, okay, we are going to begin from the shortest first. Shortest is going to be where? P, PW, PW, U, T, S. Isn't it? So the shortest over here we are going to have first, okay, because the questions over here, if you look, determine the root. The root means that you are going to have the shortest here is going to be P to W to what? U to T to S. This is going to be the root. Okay, the root. And after that, we are going to find the longest. Okay. Can I find the total for our shortest here first? We are going to get the 14 plus with 7 plus with 11 plus with 12. You are going to get 44. This is going to be 44 kilometer for the shortest one. The longest. Okay, if you look over here, the longest is going to be start from P. So you are going to, yes, P to Q. Q, of course, to R. Don't go R to S. Okay, you are going to go for U here. And then we are going to get for T and go for our S there. Can? Means that for our longest here, you are going to have the sum of 10 plus 16 plus 17 plus 11 plus 12. You are going to get? 66. Yes. So the longest here is going to be P. This is the root first. Q, R, U. Sorry. T and S, and the total here is going to be 66 kilometer. If you give like this, 4 marks given. First, it's going to be the root. It's going to be the shortest route over here. This is going to be the route for the longest and the total for the route over here. And then we are going to find what? The difference, we are going to get 66 minus with 44. This is going to be the difference. So you're going to get 22. This is going to be the final marks given here. Done. Yes. Tak ada apa-apa, tak ada masalah. Five mark given. Wah. Okay. Okay. Biasalah, human mistake. Okay. Ada lagi? Got any questions? No questions. We'll proceed to the next question. Yes? Huh? Suci. Okay, Puan Salma. Oh, sorry. Mrs. Salma has a residential house with an insurable property value of 400,000. Her house fire insurance policy has a co-insurance provision to insure 95% of the property insurable value and a deductible of 5,000. Calculate the amount of insurance that Mrs. Salma should buy for her house. This one will given only how many marks? 2 marks given. First is the calculation. The second one is going to be the answer. So, how did we want to find the amount of insurance? You are going to get what? 95% out of 400,000. That's all. Ya. Lah, macam tu je cikgu. Ya, nak macam mana? 95% out of 400,000. That's 1 mark. 1 mark is going to be, the answer here is going to be 380,000. Another 1 mark given here. 1 mark is for the calculation. 1 mark for the answer. Next. In a house fire incident, Puan Salma suffered a loss of 235,000. However, she only received a total compensation of 136,000. Calculate the total value insured by Mrs. Salma. Okay. We didn't know the total value over here, so I'm going to say that the total value here is going to be X. I didn't know. Just put X here. Okay. So we know that how we are going to calculate to get our what we call the total compensation over here is going to be 136,000. Ni pampasan dia kan? Isn't it? So how we are going to get 136,000 after we deduct with deductible, kan? Isn't it? That's why we have deductible, isn't it? So means that I have to do what? That one. Tolak. So means that our total value insured over here, I didn't have, so I'm going to put X over our, just now we find from the amount of insurance that Mrs. Salma bought is 380,000. Am I right? Okay. This one we are going to times with the loss over here is how much? 235,000. And all the amount here, we are going to minus with our deductible. Deductible is going to be 5,000, isn't it? Yes. Okay, deductible 5,000. So you are going to have the compensation is going to be 136,000. Dia a little bit calculation over here lah. Ramai yang tak ingat ni. Dalam rumus ada tak? Tak ada Oh, this one only the premium. Also the amount of required insurance. The one is property insurable value times his percentage of co-insurance. Okay, tak ada. So, you can have your X over here by bringing everything to the right side, isn't it? Bawa lah. First, I'm going to bring our 5,000 here minus, bring to the right side. You are going to plus. After that, we are going to bring times to the right side. Divide, become times. So, we are going to have our X here. You are going to get 136,000. You are going to plus with 5,000. And after that, we are going to have over here times with 380,000. And after that, we are going to divide by 235,000. What do you get for your X, class? 228,000. That's the value that Mrs. Salma, the value that Mrs. Salma what? The total value insured. The total value insured. Belum tanya dah jawab. Bagus. Anak siapa ni? Okay. Next question. Can I proceed to the next question? Okay. This is going to be our insurance. Insurance apa ni? Insurance motor. Okay. Table 13 shows the premium rates under the motor tariff for policies issued in Sabah and Sarawak for vehicle with an engine capacity not exceeding 2,200 cc. Saya rasa yang ni sepatutnya dia kena bagilah satu lagi apa tahu. Ramai yang tu apa? Sepatutnya dia bagi satu lagi kan untuk apa? 1,000 berapa ringgit tu kan? Kan? Ramai yang cakap macam tu. Tapi apakan daya, soalan dah buat. Okay. So if you look over here, Haslizam wants to buy an insurance policy for his new car which has engine capacity 2,050 cc. The value of the car that needs to be insured is 120,000. First 1,000, we are going to have that much over here. This one. First 1,000. And the rest you are going to times with what? Ini yang ramai yang lupa. Yang ni sepatutnya RM20.30 for Sabah Sarawak. Sorry. This one ada dalam buku teks kan? Ada. Kalau Semenanjung berapa? Are you sure? Yeah, so. Okay, 26. Okay, so over here, the questions. And he is eligible to transfer NCD is going to be what? NCD. What is NCD? Discount for? Non-claim. Dia tak claim, tak ada insurance. Dia tak insurance pula. Dia tak accident atau apa-apa, dia tak claim. So, he going to get 45% discount. Okay? Calculate the gross premium for the comprehensive policy for his new car. Okay? So, what you are going to have first is going to be 1,000. You are going to get RM243.90 for the first RM1,000 here. And the rest over there, so means that you are going to have from 120,000 minus with 1,000, you are going to get 119 kan? 119,000. Okay, for each of our 1,000 there, okay, you are going to times with 20 ringgit and 30 cent. Kan? So just now you have 243 ringgit 90 cent. For this one you are going to get what? Berapa? Kelas? Kira. You are going to have 119 dapat mana? This is going to be Kan first 1,000 you dah ambil. So means that 120,000 minus 1,000. 1,000 mana? Ni. You dah ambil 1,000. Already is going to be the first 1,000. You are going to pay RM243.90. This one. Untuk 1,000 pertama. And the rest you are going to get for each of 1,000. You are going to times by RM20.30. That's why you are going to get 119 there. 119,000. Berapa dapat? 2415.7. Isn't it?
Yes.
So, how much did he want to pay? Remember, this one you are going to plus first. And after this, we are going to... Got discount kan? Discount tadi. Discount berapa? 45% kan? We are going to plus this one first. You are going to get 60,538,9,415. So, 2659.60, betul? Isn't it? So now we are going to have how many percent for our NCD just now? 45% out of RM2,659.60 is going to be berapa? NCD dia?
1196.82.
NCD, this one you are going to have from the total. There, RM2,659.60. Means that you are going to get the calculation over here is going to be 45% from the RM2,659.60. That calculation lah. So you are going to get over here is 1,196 ringgit 82 cents. So that one is going to be discount. So discount nak tambah ke nak tolak?
Tolak.
Yes, we are going to minus here. So the total that nama apa dia ni? Haslizam will pay is going to be 1462.78. That's going to be the answer, final answer. 4 marks given. Ya, saya tahu yang ramai yang tak dapatnya ni. Mana nak dapat ni cikgu? Sepatutnya dibagi. Sepatutnya lah. Amboi, bonus je. Apalah, orang lain pun tak boleh jawab. Loksiannya. Can I proceed? Can. Mana lagi? Okay. Yang ni pun senangnya. Apa jawapan dia? Okay, mari kita buat. Okay, for our 14 over here, given R equals to 4 negative 6 to M. Okay, of course we cannot find the value of M, but this one is given to us what? That our matrix R here has no inverse. What does it mean by no inverse? Bawah dia. If you look the formula in our page 2, okay, you have number 4, isn't it? That's our what? Inverse matrix, isn't it? Okay. You are going to have 1 over AD minus BC. If our AD minus BC here is going to be 0, so you are no inverse. Cannot have inverse. Kan? So this one, they said no inverse. Means that our AD minus BC is going to be 0. Bila dia kata tak ada matrix songsang, means that kita punya AD minus BC is going to be 0. Mana nak dapat ADBC ni? A, B, C, D. So, we are going to substitute into our A is going to be 4. D is going to be M minus B is going to be B, negative 6. And C is going to be 2. Everything here is going to be 0. That's what we have for our no inverse matrix. Sebab kalau dia 1/0, tak boleh lah, tak adalah matrix songsang. Okay. So this one is our linear equation. First thing you are going to have over here, 4 times m is 4m. Negative, negative, positive. So 6 times 2, you're going to get 12 plus 12 lah, kan? Equals to 0. Negatif. Ada orang makan negatif So over here, 4m equals to negative 12. M here is going to be negative 3. 2 marks given. Why did you cannot answer over here? Because you didn't know this one, isn't it? No inverse matrix. You have to refer back to the formula of our inverse of matrix is going to be 1 over AD minus BC. Yang seronoknya, ada orang buat 1 over AD minus BC. Lepas tu dalam kurungan tu pun dia ada nombor lagi. Saya tak tahu nombor mana dia ambil. Dia cari X dengan Y. X, Y mana saya tak tahu. Okay. Can I proceed? Can. Okay, this one. This one memang ramai yang boleh jawab. Tahniah. Okay, Puan Norma paid RM27 to buy 2 kg of langsat and 3 kg of rambutan. Her brother bought 4 kg of rambutan and 3 kg of langsat. If you over here, the position of our langsat and rambutan is going to nampak terbalik kan? Lepas tu nanti akan orang buat terbalik juga. Okay, so it's given over here what? X, by using variable X is going to be for our langsat and Y is going to be for our rambutan. So the question here, construct 2 linear equations. If you cannot construct the linear equation over here, you cannot answer the questions number 2 there. 7 markah kau? Tak. 7 here. Okay. 2 marks given over here if you give the correct 2 linear equations. Okay. Where we are going to have our linear equation from our situation there. First of all, langsat 2 kilo, rambutan 3 kilo untuk Puan Norma. Her brother is going to be langsat is going to be 3 kilo and also for the rambutan is going to be 4 kilo. Kan? Betul. And also if you look over here, Puan Norma paid 27, her brother paid 38. So from there we are going to begin with our X here. For Puan Norma is going to be 2x. Kan? Langsat 2 kilo kan? Okay. 2x plus with our rambutan is going to be 3y, 3 kilo. So she is going to pay 27 ringgit. This is for the first linear equation for Puan Norma. Okay. Next. This one yang saya kata ramai yang terkeliru, terbalik. Okay. Supposedly you are going to have over here 3 kg of langsat first and then followed by 4 kilo of rambutan. You are going to pay for 38 ringgit. This is for her brother. Boleh? This is going to be your 2 marks given. From here, we can answer our B2 over here, which is our B2 here. Asking for us by using the matrix method. Kalau kami tak guna matrix method, boleh tak? Bye-bye. Cannot. Same like the previous question kan? Previous question dia kata apa? By not using. By not using. So yang ni dia kata by using. Faham tak? By not using, you can use substitution or elimination. or graph method. Of course, graph method siapa pun tak suka. Betul. Okay. So for this one, you are using matrix method. Okay. So this one we have to calculate the price difference. This one pun ramai yang tak nampak price difference. Dia dapat X dengan Y habis. Padahal kena tolak dulu. Okay. So from our linear equation, we are going to form in a matrix. So what you are going to have over here, the first one I'm going to write over here 2, 3, 3, 4. There. So you are going to have over here 2, 3, 3, 4. And then you are going to have our X and also our Y equals to 27 and 38. You gave it in our matrix form over here, 1 marks given. Okay. So if you got incorrect at your linear equation, habislah. Bawah ni pun tak dapat lah. Go through macam tu je. Okay. So first thing first, I'm going to name it our A, B, C, D here. Why? Because we are going to use inverse matrix. So you are going to write over here your X, Y. You are going to have over here is 1 over, you are going to have over there AD. So it means that A times with D, 2 times with 4, minus BC, 3 times with 3 there. And then don't forget our everything here. You are going to have for our A and D change place. For B and C, you are going to change the sign, symbol. Okay. So over here, 4 to negative 3, negative 3. Don't forget about 27 and 38 here. Okay. Is it got marks here? Not yet. Until you finish that one, and you are going to times by using row column. What is row column? Apa tu row column? Row column. Okay, 1 over 2, 4, 8 minus 9, negative 1. Right? Okay. Everything here, I'm going to do another place here, which is we are going to use row column. How to use roko? So you are going to have over here 4, negative 3, negative 3, 2. Ada orang boleh buat cara biasa, tak apa, teruskanlah. This one, siapa nak gunakan, tak ada masalah. Okay, so 38. Okay, row column. So means that row column, you are going to get the first one here. So how did we are going to get the first one over here? You are going to get 4 times with 27. This is going to be plus. Okay. With negative 3 times with 38. You are going to get the first for our element here. What do you get? 108. Negative 6. Betul lah. Okay. The total is going to be negative 6 over here. Next. Yes, you are going to have over here the row, second row over here with the first column here. We are going to get this one. So it means that to get that one, we are going to get negative 3 times with 27 plus with 2 times with 38. You are going to get over here is negative 5. Can? Okay, next. By using row column over here, I'm going to take the value for our negative 6 and also negative 5 there straight away. So we are going to have over here, alamak. salah warna, tak apalah. X and also our Y here. So negative, negative, we are going to have our X over here is going to be 6 and our Y here is going to be 5. Is it the final answer? No. Not yet. Why? Kita nak cari apa? Difference. So we are going to get 6 minus with 5. So the difference is going to be 1 ringgit. That's going to be your answer here. Thank you. Okay, we move. Can I go for the next question? Yes. Questions number 15. Ngantuk dah. Oh, siannya. Lagi? Okay. You are not allowed to use graph paper to answer this question. Okay. Diagram 15 shows two solid right prism and a solid half cylinder with a dia turun bawah. Belum. 3 masa kan hari ni kan? Main dia tadi soalan. Okey. Okey. Ni ramai yang tak beri perhatian ni. Dekat mana? Sini. Diameter of 4 cm. Dia dah bagi dah. Diameter untuk siapa tu? Cylinder. Where is it? It's going to be from R to Q here. QR here. This is going to be 4 cm. Yeah. Okay. Okay, join at the vertical planes EGLK and EFQR. The planes JKL, MN, and P are the uniform cross-section of the prism HEG, LJK and prism EFGM and P. Okay. How many prism you have over here? Berapa prism ada? 2 prism only. Prism tu apa? The first prism is going to be in front here. Ni. This is our first prism. This is our first prism. The second prism is going to be at the back. This one. This is going to be your second prism at the back there. Okay. That's going to be your second prism. Which one is going to be the half cylinder? In front here. This is everything here is going to be your half cylinder. Can class? So you are going to have 3 solid geometry. 2 prism, 1 half cylinder. Okay. What else did the question say here? The rectangle base of EFGH and the base of HETFG lie on a horizontal plane. Okay, down there. And HHJ and VK are vertical. Okay. The questions. Draw to full scale the elevation of the composite solid on a vertical plane parallel to HE as view from X. 4 marks. For B there, you are going to draw the elevation view from Y 5 marks. How many marks total? Sikitnya cikgu, 9 marks je. Banyak. Okay. Let us see what is the view that we are going to have from our... Alamak, kenapa tak boleh ni? Sekejap New. Sekejap saya ambil gambar dulu. Apa dia?